Hey fruit fans! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of a fruit that's as mysterious as it is delicious. Meet the Jaboticaba, sometimes called the Brazilian grape tree. Grab your snacks and let's get started. First up, a quick history lesson. Jaboticaba, native to Brazil, has been enjoyed by indigenous people for centuries. Its name comes from the Tupi-Guarani language, where Jaboticaba means like a turtle, which might seem odd, but it's a nod to the fruit's appearance. Unlike most fruits, Jaboticaba grows directly on the trunk and branches of the tree, creating a truly unique visual spectacle. Now, let's talk health benefits. Jaboticaba is packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and vitamin A, which is great for your skin and eyes. You'll also find plenty of dietary fiber to keep your digestion in check. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants that help fight off free radicals and support overall health. So, how do you pick the perfect Jaboticaba? Look for fruits that are plump, shiny, and deep purple. They should be firm but give slightly to the touch, similar to how you'd pick a ripe grape. Avoid any with soft spots or wrinkles. And remember, Jaboticaba is best enjoyed fresh, as it doesn't have a long shelf life. Now for the fun part, what can you do with this exotic fruit? Jaboticaba is incredibly versatile. You can eat it fresh, make delicious jams and jellies, or blend it into smoothies for a burst of tropical flavor. It's also fantastic for making liqueurs and wines. Brazilian spirits often feature this fruit for its unique taste. And don't forget Jaboticaba syrup. It's a great topping for pancakes or waffles. Here's a fun fact to wrap things up. Jaboticaba trees can live for over 100 years and produce fruit for most of their life. Talk about a long-lasting harvest. So next time you see this intriguing fruit, you'll know all about its history, health benefits, and how to make the most of it. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Jaboticaba fruit, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fruity fun, and leave a comment below with your favorite exotic fruit. See you next time. Stay curious, stay healthy, and as always, keep exploring the world of fruits. Bye for now.